Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has claimed that Mohammed Sinwar, Hamas's Gaza chief and one of the most wanted men in the group, has been eliminated. The announcement marks what could be another critical blow to Hamas's leadership structure during the ongoing war in Gaza. Mohammed Sinwar is the younger brother of Yahya Sinwar, the Hamas leader who orchestrated the deadly October 7, 2023 attack on Israel. That assault triggered the now year-and-a-half long conflict between Israel and Hamas. Following Yahya's death in an Israeli strike in October 2024, Mohammed was elevated to a top military leadership role within the group. He became one of Hamas's most senior commanders, still active in Gaza. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Netanyahu said Mohammed Sinwar has been eliminated. The Israeli leader did not provide further details, including the location or timing of the operation. Hamas has not yet confirmed the claim. If verified, Sinwar's death would be the latest in a series of Israeli assassinations targeting Hamas's top leadership. Israel has already eliminated several key figures over the course of the war, including Yahya Sinwar, Mohammad Deif, the head of Hamas's military wing, and Ismail Haniyeh, the group's political chief, who was killed in Iran. Under Mohammed Sinwar's command, Hamas ramped up its attacks and recruitment. His leadership style was marked by military aggression and an effort to consolidate Hamas's control over the Gaza Strip. Even as the humanitarian situation in the enclave worsened, he carried a bounty on his head and was considered a top target by Israeli intelligence. His name had surfaced several times during Israeli operations, with multiple attempts reportedly made to eliminate him. Back in 2014, during a previous conflict, Hamas has falsely announced his death. That claim was later retracted. If Netanyahu's announcement holds true, Mohammed Sinwar's death would represent another strategic gain for Israel, further eroding Hamas's operational hierarchy. Over the past 18 months, the Israeli military campaign has relentlessly targeted Hamas' chain of command in a bid to weaken its capabilities. As of now, the militant group has yet to issue any official statement confirming or denying the death of Mohammed Sinwar. This is a developing story. For more updates and in depth coverage on the Middle East conflict, stay tuned.